Hello and welcome to Ocean Point. Coastal living at its finest, a penthouse apartment where the beach, golf course and coastal walks are all on your doorstep. Boasting private access to the golden sands of Saunton Beach, here every day begins with the rhythm of the ocean. Positioned just moments from world-famous surfing beaches and a championship golf course, the property opens into a spacious entrance hall, welcoming you into a calm and elegant interior, setting the tone for relaxed coastal living. Leading to an open-plan kitchen, living, dining space designed for effortless entertaining, and large bifolding doors brings the outside in, leading to a private terrace ideal for alfresco dining or unwinding to the sound of the waves. Every detail crafted for ease and comfort, from smart heating to energy-efficient underfloor warmth and super-fast broadband, this apartment is designed for seamless modern living. After a busy day on the beach or the golf course, what could be better than retreating to one of two serene double bedrooms? The principal bedroom offers fantastic, mesmerising views out over the beach. The second bedroom, laid out as a twin, offers flexibility for your guests or family. And you can indulge in spa-like comfort in this beautifully finished bathroom featuring a sleek and modern 4-piece suite. Outside, landscape gardens and a secure gated entrance ensures privacy and peace. Residents also enjoy allocated parking, board and bike storage and an outdoor shower, perfect for coming straight off the beach. If you would like more information about 11 Ocean Point, please give us a call today.